Hey guys, my name is Daniel, and today we're going to learn how to record a video with a program called Screencast-O-Matic and also to upload that video to YouTube once you're done. So let's get to it. First thing we got to do is go to the Screencast website, which is that one right there, screencast-o-matic.com. And then once you're in the home page, you're gonna click the blue button that says start recording for free. So let's do that. And then again, now the orange button that says launch free recorder. Once you click that, you might get a pop-up like this one up here. Pretty much confirm that you want to launch the application. So let's do that. And then once it launches, it's gonna look like that. So this is the main screen of the program. So at the top here, we have these three square buttons, which pretty much lets you select what you're capturing, if it's only your screen, if it's your webcam, or if it's both. So you have that option. Down here, it sets the max time of your video. The free version only allows you to record up to 15 minutes, so keep that in mind. The size here, if you click on it, it lets you choose the size of the capture. That's pretty much how much of your screen is it grabbing. So right now it's set for full screen, so it's grabbing my whole desktop here. So let's leave it like that. Narration, that's your audio input, pretty much your microphone. So if you click on it, your computer is gonna scan. The program is gonna scan your computer, and you're gonna see all the possible options that you have. Right now I have this HD Pro webcam, which is my webcam. So it's using the microphone from my webcam so I can record the audio. So then you can select whatever you need. And then computer audio, that option is not available for the free version, but it pretty much records sounds from your computer without needing an external source like a microphone. So, but that's only for the paid version. And then if you go to preferences, that's pretty much mostly like hotkeys and keyboard shortcuts. So if you want to mess around with that, go ahead. For now, I'm going to leave it alone. So once you're done setting up your preferences, you can just click the record button. It's going to give you a countdown like that. And then now it's recording. So now it's recording your screen. And if you see it here down on the left corner, you're going to see the time going. And then if you're done recording it, you can just press this pause button right here. Then you're going to get this bar. Now in this bar, you can resume recording. If you press recording again, it's going to resume from where you stopped. You can preview what you recorded by pressing the play button right here. Then you have the time of a recording so far, which is 13 seconds. Then you have this seek button, like backwards and forwards. That's useful if you keep stopping and resuming a recording. So you're gonna have like these blocks of recording, and that's where these buttons are gonna come into play. So you can skip from each point where you stopped the recording and resumed. Then you have this little trash can here, which pretty much deletes everything and makes you start over. And if you're done, you can just click the done button. So let's pretend that we're done with this little 13 video that we recorded. So let's click done. Then it's gonna say if you want to edit the video, add zoom or make any cuts, like fix any blurs or whatever, or if you want to save and upload. So let's do that. Now when you do that, you're gonna get these options. So you can just save the file to your computer if you do this. You can upload it to the Screencast-O-Matic website, or you can upload it to YouTube, which is what we want in this case. So let's click that. Now the program is trying to access your YouTube account, so you can just click that launch web browser button, and then here you can enter your credentials for your YouTube account. So let's do that. Let's do this. So I have two accounts actually. So let's select this one, for example. And then this is pretty much telling you that you allow Screencast to access your YouTube account and that kind of stuff. So you can just click allow right there. And then it's going to say it was successfully linked. So you can pretty much say done. And then you get this little menu right here, which at the top is going to show the account, your YouTube account, which in this case is my name. Then title, that's the name of your video. You can name everything like anything you want. So let's just do training video 01, for example. Then description, short description of your video. So let's just say video on about how to use Screencast and upload to YouTube. Anything you want, really. Then we have tags, which pretty much how people are gonna find your video, you know. So it's pretty much like keywords that are related to the content of your video. So we can do like these ones already here: screencast, video, YouTube, everything that's related to your video, pretty much that's gonna be useful in a search engine, you know. I'm gonna leave these three right here because they're related, so that's all good. Then the privacy of your video, if you want it to be public, that anybody can find it. If you want it to be private, like here, that's pretty much only people that you allow to see that video. And you also have the unlisted option, which is pretty much, it's not private, but it cannot be found through the regular search engine, you know. If somebody has a link to it, they can totally see it, but it's not gonna come up during a normal search. So for these purposes, let's just do it public. Category of the video, there's a bunch. I'm gonna leave as education because, you know, it's a training video, so leave that alone. You can select if you want the cursor to be highlighted or not. That's useful if you're, especially if you're doing a sort of instructional video that you want people see what you're trying to explain. So let's just leave a highlight cursor. And then captions, if you want to add captions to your videos. Then once you're done selecting all of these, you can just say publish, and then it's gonna load your video. And then let's wait. There it is. So at this point, it's done uploading your video, and then you can share it through social media right here. So you have your Facebook, your Twitter, you know, even email. You can open the upload. So if you click this, the YouTube page is gonna pop up so you can actually see the video. You can copy the link, you know, if you want to send it through somebody through a text message, for example. Or if you just want to be done with it, you can just click done. Let's click the open upload real quick. And then once, now it's recording. So now it's recording your screen. And if you, so there's our video right there. So on YouTube, you can see the video. Down here, you can see that title that we gave it, Training Video 01. And then here the little description, video about how to use Screencast and upload to YouTube. And that's about it. So it's pretty straightforward, and hope it was helpful. Thank you.